Today, I would like to show my heartily respect and gratitude to all of my teachers, those who taught me a single word. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. وقال تعالى أيضا في آيات أخرى فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. وقد جاء في الحديث الشريف وعن أبي الدرداء رضي الله عنه قال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول من سلك طريقا يطلب فيه علما سلك الله به طريقا من طرق الجنة وإن الملائكة لا تدع أجنحتها رضا لطالب العلم وإن العالم يستغفر له من في السماوات والأرض والحيتان في جوف الماء وإن فضل العالم على العابد كفضل القمر ليلة البدر على سائر الكواكب وإن العلماء ورثة الأنبياء وإن الأنبياء لم يورثوا دينارا ولا درهم إلى آخر الحديث. Hello and welcome back to my another new video. This is me, Muhammad Umar, once again in front of you. Today I am making this video for a special reason. The reason is that today is the International Teachers Day, and I would like to show my heartily respect and gratitude to all of my teachers, those who taught me a single word in my life. Our Creator Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala narrates in the Holy Quran, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. O my Prophet, tell the Ummah, those who have the knowledge and those who doesn't have knowledge, they are equal. Kalla, they are not equal. They are never equal. And our Prophet narrates in the another hadith, مَا يُرِدُ اللَّهُ بِهِ خَيْرًا يُفَقِّهُ فِي الدِّينِ وَإِنَّمَا أَنَا قَاسِمٌ اللَّهُ يُعْطِي. My dear brothers and sisters, our Creator Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala said another ayah, وَيَرْفَعُ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ. Those who have the knowledge, Allah gave them a lot of respect. So I have completed my primary level from Sortitia Adarsho Sarkari Prathmik Bidyalaya in 2014, and I have completed my SSC level and Dakhil level from Debirsar Bazar Hussainiya Dakhil Madrasa in 2020. And after that I have completed my HSC or Alim level from Sarsina Darussunnat Kamil Madrasa, which is located at Firozpur in Borishal. And right now I am the student and I am studying at Nazmul Haq Madinatul Ulum Kamil Madrasa. So today I make this video only to pay my heartily respect and gratitude to all of my teachers, and I want to say that they taught me from the beginning level until now. They are teaching me every day, and I am their student. I was their student, right now I am their student, and I will be their student. Wherever I go, whatever I see, I always respect them. I always try to make dua for them. And finally, those teachers who have passed away in previous life, I would like to make dua for them so that Allah makes them Jannatul Firdaus. Allah give them paradise. And another thing, I will not be able to mention the name of all of my teachers because I know all of my teachers and I couldn't mention their name, but I could show my respect. I can make dua for them. And আমি বলতে চাইছি ফাইনালি সকলে আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। আমি আপনাদেরকে রেসপেক্ট করি এবং অন্তরস্থল থেকে ভালোবাসা জানাই, দোয়া করি এবং আপনারা আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন যাতে আমি I can stay in the right track. I can get success in my life. And finally, যারা যেসব আমার ওস্তাদরা ভিডিওটা দেখছেন আমার পক্ষ থেকে ভালোবাসা নেবেন এবং আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। I always pray for all of you so that Allah gives you respect, and always pray for me so that Allah makes everything easier for me. I can continue my journey, I can get success. So see you later, all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.